Today we're going to be cleaning some tools. These are the tools on the deck. Now they're in the garage. As I said, we're going to be cleaning some tools. This one, well, it doesn't need very much cleaning. I'll wipe it off in a minute. I'm going to start with grinding. Sharpening some dull tools. Disgusting. So I got some sharpening ones here. Sharpen that one. That one doesn't need sharpened. I can clean that one off. I might sharpen that one. That one's pretty good. Needs cleaned. Definitely clean that one. Maybe sharpen it. This rake looks pretty good. Whatever this thing is. What's that called?
You scratch weeds up with it.
It's called a scratch weed upper. Okay, whatever that is. This is gonna get noisy. You may need to plug your ears. Alright, so then look at this. See, Daddy Pop screwed it down. Or, well, bolted it down. Doesn't have to have clamps on it anymore.
Great.
Alright.
Doesn't our audience need earplugs?
Yeah, you may want to turn the volume down. What, that's their earplugs, right? Got some gloves. And a hole in the finger.
Ew.
What's so bad about that? You're like, ugh, there's a hole in the finger. Oh my, those holes in the fingers. That's my new voice, by the way.
What?
Alright, here we go. It's gonna get loud after it warms up. To know is that you never want to sharpen this side of a clipper of any kind. It's fine with knives.
Why not?
But if you're scissoring like this, you want it to have a sharp edge here and not a gap. There's a lip here instead of a flat edge. It won't line up with this side and you won't get a cut. Clippy, clippy, clippy. Yeah, right, Okay, so you take the, ouch. Take the spring off. I'm going to put one pile right here with this side, and then I'm going to take off this one. And then I'll go ahead and sharpen them both.
Why didn't you take them apart before?
I did not anticipate having to sharpen these, but I remembered Mama wanted them sharpened. Alright, so this is the second plier, the clipper things. This thing actually looks really cool. It looks like a crazy knife of some sort. But this one's spring was not wanting to come off. Oh, it screws off like a screw. That's handy. But this way I'll be able to put them back together, because they obviously are not the same size of bolt. I'll be able to put them back together when I pinch. That does not look like a cool knife. Looks like a stupid knife. Okay, I'm gonna sharpen these now.
Shorty, it fell down.
I can see that.
Okay.
Yeah. We haven't found the other spring yet, but we're gonna go ahead and put these together.
Yeah, there was a super long search. Just joking.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this all the way back here so I can put it together more successfully. Ugh. Okay, I'm not gonna screw them together all the way because we need to soak them in vinegar. See how that rust on there?
Yeah.
Not good. So they're not tight. It comes in pints. I already got one. Okay, so this has been used before for vinegar type stuff. So I'm just gonna put some junk in there. Oh, there's a bowl.
Yeah, smells bad.
I know.
Oh
yeah,
my.
that should be good.
Sorry, like.
We may want a little bit more. I think last time I had WD-40 in it or something like that. That's why there's bubbles. You can use the... Yeah, use this.
What is it?
WD-40.
Yeah.
It's yuck.
It looks gross.
This is like my favorite drink.
Gasoline.
That's why I said it was like my favorite drink. I've heard it's very flammable. Yeah, gasoline and marshmallows.
That's an inside joke.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So we've got this mostly done. So let's go out the bucket. We've got a bunch of food soaking over here.
Right.
What else do we have to do?
Nothing?
Wrong. Toss me those.
What? Ow!
You should be videoing yourself right now.
Right. Yay, we're putting everything away. And then we're gonna be done. So Shorty, how many times have you done this?
Let's see. This is my first time. So, I think we're good. No.
What?
Just stop talking, please.
Blah, 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 blah. Well, I'm not talking.